Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. Today you guys, I am excited about this face mask that I'm gonna try out on my face. I use a lot of face masks, you guys, on my face. This one here is, I picked this up at an Indian store, so I want to try this out to see how it really works on the face. The funny thing about it, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna mix this with. So it's a papaya herbal mask pack with anti-aging, and it have a lot of vitamin. You have like starch, you have papaya, you have titanium, and I'm sorry you guys, but this is, you know, when you buy these things, some of them are English, some of them are with English, and then some of them is also the Indian language. So here it said how to use wash face, which I already wash my face, and it said with normal water. So I wash my face with the water. Take 1 spoon of this herbal papaya pack and mix it with some rose water. Mix smoothly, paste, apply it to your face and neck. After drying, wash it off. So let's do this. So this is the rose water that I am going to use, the premium rose water. I also picked this up at the Indian store, you guys. This is my bowl here. So I am going to take 1 teaspoon of this, and this is how the mask is in this, and it's a papaya one. I never used a papaya mask before, different, like mixing one for myself to use. I use like the papaya soap. I always use papaya soap, but not really like the mask. So if you want to see, continue watching, my friend. So guys, this is the mask here. I am going to use 1 teaspoon of this mask, of this thing, and look at the color. Let's show you guys the color, how it is. This is how the color is, and I am going to put it in this container. I'm trying to see if it have a scent, but it does not have a scent. And then I am going to use this, which is the rose water, also all skin tropic. So I'm going to use this, and I am going to apply to this paste here. Mix this to mix it smooth, and I am going to see what it does to my face, you guys, because I do love masks. I keep trying different masks. This is like a clay though. This one is like a clay. It has like a little bit of tinted color in it, like just a little bit, like, you know, when you would mix a clay mask. This is how it is, but they say it's a papaya. Don't quote me on that, you guys. His name are funny. So I am mixing this out, and I'm gonna put a little bit more of the rose water in it. Usually I use rose water on my face at night. I sprit my face with rose water, but today I am going to use it with the papaya as a face mask. So I am excited. I can't wait to see what the result is going to look like. I just cannot wait. So let's just put it in, take off the rest of it here. So I am going to take off my glasses and I'm going to apply it to my face. I'm using one of my brush here, one of my makeup brush that I had, and I'm going to apply it. Look at this, it's applying so smoothly. The thing is this, that it doesn't tell you how long to keep it on your face, but they said to keep it until it is dry, which is what I am going to do. I'm gonna keep it there and see how long it does take to dry. And it have this really nice scent towards it. Like, I don't know if it's the, has a perfumey scent. I don't know if it's the rose water or the papaya mask, but it have really of a, you know, perfumey scent towards it. This feel like a clay mask, and have this tightish, like really tightish feeling, like, you know. I'm gonna put some close to my eyes, but not directly on my eyes, because this thing smells like perfume. But I'm willing to try it out, you guys. I am willing to try it out. I'm also gonna apply some of it underneath my neck. It is good to apply mask underneath your neck also. So whatever you put on the face, you put it under your neck also. So I'm putting this down to my neck here. I love this mask. I just like how it applies. It really applies smoothly. It makes smooth, and I really do. So let's see how it is, but it do apply smoothly. Just that it has this really perfumey scent towards it. But okay guys, so I finished apply this mask, and I'm gonna leave it there until it dry. When it dry, I'm gonna come back, and then also when it time to clean off the face, I am going to show you after I clean it off. This is the face mask. It's papaya face mask here, and they have all these ingredients, you guys, and the back here. So some of them I cannot pronounce right now, and I'm not really intent to pronounce. I'm just gonna show you the ingredients that are on the back of this mask. So stay tuned, you guys, until I get back. Okay guys, so I am back with my mask, partly dry. Just a couple spots here, those not dry, but this is how it look on my skin. It feels really tight, you guys. The only thing is the scent of it. Like, it's really have that high perfume scent. And I was trying to smell, and I think it comes from this rose water here. So, you know, rose water always have some, but this one is really high. And then it also give me, for it to dry, I have this like a little burning sensation to it on my face. So this is how it look. I am going to wash it off, and then I am going to return and show you how my face looks. Okay, you guys, so I am back. Finished wash off the mask of my face. Let's talk about the mask. The mask really, it's a smoothing mask. Like, it's really smoothing when you mix it or you're applying it to your face. The other thing with it, after applying it to your face, you feel a tingling, burning sensation on the face. But overall, I think it is a good mask. It's really nice. I don't know if it's the rose water that smell like perfume or the powder itself, but it is a papaya clay face mask. Now let's put some a little bit of thing on my face. Like, I'm gonna put a bit of serum from Vichy. I got this as a sample from Shoppers Drug, not Shoppers. Yeah, from Shoppers. I got it there as a sample, and I have them put right in front of me here, so in case. I know I am going to really like this mask. It's just that the perfume-ish is really like high. It's really high. But I think I am going to love this mask. This mask put me in the mind of there's a clay mask at the beauty supply. I forgot the name of it that you can use to put in your hair, and you can also use it on your face. So that was it. But I also got this as a sample. I'm using this also on my skin. But my skin for this mask, as I always said, it feels really clean. They said to wash your face before you apply the mask, which is what I did before I did apply the mask. My face feels soft and it feels really, really clean and nice. The smoothness of the face. I still have some of the mask leave. Whenever I mix mask, I always mix too much, so I'm gonna put this in my refrigerator and then I'll use it tomorrow again. But this is how the papaya face mask leave my face looking bright. So guys, this is the two product that I use. I didn't use any water, just this one here, which is the rosemary, not rosemary, this thing here where you call it the rose water, just the rose water and this together. And these are in, I don't know, some Indian store, but it is really of a really nice mask. It feels nice on my skin. It's just that the scent of it's like it's really have this strong, really strong scent. As I said, I don't know if it's the rose water or the mask. When I smell the mask, I smell nothing, but when I put this close up to me, I smell it. So I think moreover is this one. So God bless you. Stay beautiful as always, and I will see you guys in my next upload.